In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Realtor.ca. Realtor.ca is a powerful Canada-wide real estate search platform, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident exploring listings, narrowing options, and learning more about any neighborhood you're considering. Let's start right from the beginning. Open your preferred web browser and search for Realtor.ca. When the results load, click the official link for Realtor.ca. Make sure you're on the .ca site with the recognizable branding so you know you're in the right place and not on an ad or a lookalike page. On the home page, you'll see a prominent search box. Type a Canadian city, neighborhood, postal code, or even an exact address to zero in on the area you care about. Press enter or use the on-screen search button, and your initial set of listings will appear. Next, refine those results with filters. Here you can switch between homes that are for sale or for rent. Set your minimum and maximum price. Choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and select property types such as houses, condos, or townhomes. Start broad if you're just exploring, then tighten your criteria until the results match your budget and needs. Now decide how you want to view the results. Toggle to map view if you want to see listings pinned geographically. This is great for understanding proximity to parks, transit, or the waterfront. Switch to list view if you prefer scanning photo cards and quick details. Both views reflect your filters in real time, so use whichever helps you compare faster. If you want laser-focused results in a particular spot, click the pencil or lasso icon on the map. Draw a custom boundary around the exact block, street, or stretch of lakefront you care about. Only the listings within that hand-drawn shape will appear, which is perfect for targeting a few streets you already love. To learn more about the area itself, click the Map Layers button. You can overlay neighborhood data like average household income, education levels, and languages spoken. Use these insights to compare communities at a glance and decide where to keep digging. Finally, head to the top of the screen and open the Find a Realtor tab. You can search by name, office, language spoken, or location to review an agent's current active listings and past history. This helps you identify professionals who work in your target area or speak your preferred language. One last tip. Signing up for a free consumer account unlocks advanced tracking tools that make it easier to monitor market changes and stay organized as you search. That's it. Now you're ready to make the most of Realtor.ca and find a place that truly fits.